You have to make a bucket server 174 on back. Then go over to your browser. And then go to this link description. Then download the build, which I recommend, but you don't have to. Just download that, make a new folder on your desktop, name it whatever you want, and then drag in the file you just downloaded. Then you want to open up TextEdit, and then you want to paste the link in that I just gave you. No, the link that I'll give you, which will be the code right here. And then you want to where text edit go. Sorry guys. To open it, Command Shift N, no, Command N, yes. Then you want to go format, make it plain text because it's easier for terminal to read later. Then you excuse me. And then you want to paste in the link, the code for Mac or your specific operating system. Then you'll right there where it said 1024 or something. You'll put how much you want to dedicate to your server. Since this is a tutorial, I'll only give it 512. And then you'll Command Shift save. Oh no, what the heck? Sorry about that, guys. Delete copy. No need for that. And then you'll click Command S or File Save. And then name it start.command. Save it somewhere you can find it. Desktop's the most easiest, in my opinion. And then you should find it right there. And then you'll drag it into your folder. Open up the terminal. And this is a step that is very important. Type chmod space a plus x. And then we'll drag in the file that we just made. Click enter. Oh, I did it wrong. See, that means I did it wrong if that happens just right. chmod space a plus x space, drag in the file, click enter. There, now I did it right. You'll just want to exit out of that. Then hopefully it works. Open up your start.command. Yep, nothing happened, so that means it started right. And it should load up all my files into my folder that I just made. Hopefully it doesn't say there's another server running on this part, because I do have another server right here. And it should hopefully pull up all these files into the folder we just made. So yeah, leave the IP in the description. Yeah, it's loading. Can't fast forward this, guys, I'm very sorry. So if you don't like waiting, you're going to have to fast forward this. There we go. See, as you can see, it is pulling up all my files. It's trying a new spawn for me. While it's doing that, let's go into our folders and then I'll show you everything that you need to know. about the background noise. You want to first things first. You'll want this branded IPs is where you put IPs of somebody's logging with multiple accounts that you don't like. Which we don't have much of a problem in 1.7.4 these days, but in 1.5 when Q's cracked, that happened a lot. And then here's the branded players. You don't really need to know that. I don't really know what these two are. This is your craft bed, of course. This is help, and this is all your server logs. Oh, let's have the latest log. There. Where did everything just go? Anyways, as I was saying, this is where all your plugins will go. I'll make a separate video for that. Don't want to make this video too long. And then the server properties. This is the most important file, I think. This is op permission, which is level 4. This is you want to allow the nether. This is your level name. I wouldn't mess with that. Allow flight. Announce player achievements, which is like somebody opens their chest, blah blah blah. This is your server report. This is the level type. And then level seed. And then this is if you want to force game mode. And then server IP. You'll want to leave that empty, and I'll show you why. I've had problems in the past where if you change that up, you won't be able to connect to your server first, and then people are still like, wait, if I use that, then what will I use to go into my server with? Here's your answer. Go to www.whatismyip.com. I will not be showing my IP address for safety, but anyway, so you'll put the IP that it shows there. That's the IP you'll use to log onto your server with. So yeah, that's what you'll use for IP. And if you're at home and you don't want to do that, you can just do localhost. Max build time, maximum build, spawn NPCs. NPCs are like fake players. Whitelist, not really sure. If you want to spawn animals, if you want hardcore, snooper, and then online mode. This is if you want cracked players to connect to your server. I wouldn't do that. The resource path. This is PvP 2. Player versus player. Difficulty. Enable block command. Game mode. Creator survival. Adventure. Player idle timeout. And then max player limit. Spawn monsters. Generate structures and view distance. Oh, last but not least, message of the day, MOTD, Minecraft server. And yeah. And if you want a server icon, it has to be 6464. And then, yeah, I'll make a separate video on that. Anyways, yeah, so that's all you need to know, server properties. Sorry about the background noise. Anyways, permissions, worlds, and blah blah blah. Let's go back to our terminal to see if it's loaded up. I'm guessing it did. Yep, done. 100%. See, proves it's working. Just to make sure, if you guys want to prove it, don't believe me. There's no broadcast. Oh god. Shout. Wow, that's the initials, I'm guessing. Oh god. That's just horrible. Initials is a plugin, just in case you're wondering. There you go. It's my Minecraft name. Ever seen on a server? Shout out to me. Anyways, yeah. Just to be safe, I'm not going to show my IP, and I'll just type in localhost. But again, hold on. Again, you don't have to do that. See, it's log again, as you can see. As you can see. UID of a player X will be logged in with entry at world my coordinates. I'm Steve. No. There's my skin. Anyways, guys, there you go. As you can see, this is the server that I have just created. So guys, like, subscribe, look at my other videos. I'll be making another video on how to port forward. Yeah. Thanks for watching. And guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.